What's up my people? How una dey? I know say una don dey hear of bitcoin halving, but wetin be dis bitcoin halving? But before we talk about bitcoin halving, make you understand wetin halving mean. Halving na the system wey dem dey use regulate additional coin on top the one wey don dey available before. Shey you get the point like that? Na wetin halving mean be that. Now wetin be dis bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving na im dem dey use reduce the reward wey bitcoin miner dey receive before. Before na 12.5 bitcoin miner dey receive every 10 minutes, shey you get, but now e don reduce to 6.25 BTC every 10 minutes. Shey you dey get the point now? And dis bitcoin halving dey always happen every 4 years. Shey you get? E dey always happen every 4 years. And why dis thing dey always happen like that? Na because say make bitcoin dey checkmated, you get? Shey you dey get the point like that now? So if you dey hear bitcoin halving no be something wey dey difficult. And once we don dey close to this bitcoin halving, e dey always affect the market, wey be say mostly market dey always dey bullish. Shey you get? Market dey always go up. So if you don dey hear bitcoin halving, know say this thing no be something wey hard or something wey dey difficult. Shey you get the point now? So follow us to dey learn more about cryptocurrency in pidgin.